Watch my Bella make this fence. She has Hug's gloves. She has our safety helmet. She has the blue one from Walmart. Or you could buy it from, Lowe's. Okay, she's giving it a great shake, and now she's spraying it. Just watch. Oh my god, this is so fun. Last time we helped her with one of the blocks, and now she's doing one on her own. This looks so much fun. Now she's putting the other ones on. I guess what she's doing next. Keep watching. She has a rope because she's gonna tie the branch away so there's no spiders. We had a spider soon, but now I'm not afraid of it because I noticed the spider's dead, so I don't have to worry about it. She sprayed. Now she's cutting it. Oh my god! I know you guys might be like, that's killing nature. Nature can grow back. So, she's adding cinder blocks. You can get cinder blocks. Oh, wow. She's adding some new wood. That looks so cool. Let's guess what she's making. I already know what she's making, but it's a secret. That looks so much fun. You can't do that because it's not going to hold. So you have to take the cinder blocks off so that you can have some space. Then you add the mat right there. It's so cool. But we don't want to make a mess on the floor because this isn't our forever home. So she put how tile she doesn't use. Now she's going to spray it. Wow, look at the fun part. That looks so much fun. I really want to try this out again. The window that you guys see, that's the spider I'm talking about. That black dot and the middle is the spider. But I don't want you guys to hate it or be scared. So I'm going to make you guys not scared. Wow, that looks so much fun. Ooh, glue. I guess what that glue does. Much glue doesn't hold cinder blocks. But I'll see what it does. This looks so much fun. I really want to try this out again. Because it looks so much fun. I really want to try it. I bet you guys want to try it. Because it looks so much fun. We watched on YouTube that we're going to watch it. And then we're going to make it. So we're making this by ourselves. I mean, my Bella is making it. Oh my god, it looks so fun. Ooh, those kind of look like bugs. But I just want to realize, wow, my sister's making it. Well, then guess what her name is? Angela. She might be going to your school, but just to let you know, I don't know. I'm in kindergarten. Let's watch. This looks so much fun. I really want to try it out again. That's my grandma making it. She's adding blue and yellow. That makes green. She has some green. And she's adding the blue. Wow! That kind of looks weird, but watch until the end. You add some blue, yellow, makes green, but she adds some green too. And now she's mixing it. That looks so cute and adorable and beautiful. I really want to test this out. I haven't tested this one out, but it looks really fun. Okay, I'll be quiet for you guys. Okay, time's up. Oh, wow! That looks so dope. I'm gonna try this when that's me testing it out. I'm looking at it. That's me. Look at me. My sock kind of matches it. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.